Welcome. This is Aqua Systems showing you how to install an under-sink water filtration system. We're going to use this filtration system that we sell for $119. It's really quite intriguing. It's simple. This will unscrew to expose the filters, and it just pops off just like that. And inside you have sediment, a pre-carbon, an ultrafilter membrane, and a post-carbon. There's a shut-off that you'll use for turning the water on and off for changing filters. 90 degrees is off. The bottom port is inlet, the top port is outlet, so the water will flow through all four filters and come out filtered on the outlet side, where we'll connect to the filtered water faucet, and in this case we'll include the refrigerator ice maker. So what we're going to do here is we're going to first of all, we'll remove our two plastic plugs that close this up. You just press down on that outer ring right there, and the plugs slide right out. It's actually, this is always a tricky part, but the plugs slide right out. You press down the ring. That's this little outer ring right there, and you take the plugs out. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we have a few fittings that we're going to use. We've got the angle stop valve, the angle adapter, and it has a washer. We have a straight connector and a T connector that will go for the refrigerator. This will connect to the bottom of the faucet. I use that side like that. It just simply pushes on, and that's connected. If you want to take it off, you just pull that orange down and it comes off. It's quite simple. So you'll install this on the countertop. Now, if you happen to have a granite or stone countertop and you need to add a hole, I just use this rigid diamond tile drill bit, and it drills a ½ inch hole. You have to be very careful. It doesn't have a pilot, so you go really slow until you get it started. Look at YouTube and find out how to use that, but that'll make an easy cut in a stone countertop. Of course, wood countertops are easy, just drill them. And then a lot of sinks come with 3 holes or 4 holes. They have an extra hole, put in a soap dispenser hole or a sprayer hole if it's not in use. But what we're going to do is we're going to measure. We're going to put 2 screws in our cabinet wall, deciding where we're going to put the filtration system. I put 2 screws and we'll just hang it right there, close to the cabinet floor. And the way I like to do it is I just take and mark where these center lines are with a wax pencil. I just make a mark so I don't really have to measure. And then I'll take and put it on the wall, and then I'll mark it. I'll mark the wall where that is. Now, I've already done that, and I put the screws in over here. I'm going to put my filtration in on my right side, and it's simply just, you get in, and you put it, hang it right on the screws. There, just like that. Now, so what you're going to do is take, I want to mention one thing. I have not installed the garbage disposal here, and so that you can easily see what we're doing. This is your cold water angle stop valve. You'll disconnect, normally you'll find it with your cold water riser already connected. It'll be on there like that. You just unscrew it. Then you take your angle stop valve, which is this right here, and your adapter, and you put the washer that comes with it. Just slide that in there like that, and then you thread your, carefully, because you can cross thread it and strip it, but you thread your angle stop adapter on your angle stop valve just like that, nice and tight. I'll take it all the way around till it's facing the direction I want to supply, right? So we're going right that way. Now you'll reconnect. You don't need any Teflon tape or anything. Reconnect your sink riser to the top of your angle stop valve. Careful not to cross thread that too, because it will strip the threads. Then you'll need another one. Come on, Dad, little buddy. I've got pressure. I need 2 hands. I don't want to get in the way of the film. So. Get that on there nice and snug. And you've got your connection to your cold water to supply your water filter. Now I have a piece of 1/4-inch tubing which will be supplied with your filtration system. And I use a little tubing cutter, but you can just use scissors or a utility knife. And you want to check your route and decide, what's your best way to go, and cut your length of tubing with a little spare. So you just snip it off. You will push it into your angle stop adapter. You can feel it seat. It pushes in nicely. If you need to take it out, again, you just push the little outer ring and it removes. Push it in, let it seat. And then you take it over and you install it into the bottom of the inlet side of the water filtration system. Now, I'll take this off the wall so you can see how I've installed it. See? So that's the bottom side. You can always tell the inlet because it's the one that has the shutoff valve connected in line, okay? So the inlet, the shutoff valve, and that, if you need to shut the water off to change the filters, that's where you do it. Now on the outlet side, this is going to go to the water faucet that's dedicated for filtered water. And you'll just plug that in there like that. I'll mount it back on the wall so I'll know it's in the right spot. I find my mounting screws. There, mount it back on the wall again, just like that. Simple. So you got your inlet right there. This is a line that feeds the refrigerator ice maker. It's already run down to the refrigerator, and we're going to connect that to the filtered water side of the cooler. So now we'll have our faucet installed from the deck, right? So it'll be sitting below the deck. This is the deck here, below the deck, and you're going to install this push fitting right there, and then your supply will tie into that. Before you tie that in, you're going to want to put a T in the line to pick up your refrigerator outlet, okay? So all we're going to do is just make 2 pieces of tubing instead of 1. Right there. And then we'll take and we'll put a T. Let's see, I like the T to go like that. It goes nice and tight. The inlet, the filtered water goes into the side. And then the tube that goes to the filtered water faucet goes into the top. Now, I should have let that go behind that so it'd be easier. So I'm just going to take it over there and put it behind it. So it's tighter, right? And then that'll go to your faucet up top, right? So that's just going to connect to this at below the deck, and that ties into your faucet just like that. Now what you've done is you've run the water into the filtration. It cycles through, and it comes out through the outlet tube. It goes to the refrigerator and to the dedicated faucet, and it's installed. That's it. Simple as that. So, any questions? I'm glad to help when you need it, but nothing to it really. Just a quick note on filter changes, which you should do every year. You just pop the filters out. They have the quick release no tool fitting. You just pull them up, take them off. Just as simple as that. And then put your new filter in. And you will also, I'll give you instructions on how to flush your filters before you put it into service. And then, while it's in service, you just put your cover plate back on and screw your locking washer onto the top of it to hold it in place. And voila, you have an under-sink filtered water system that has excellent filtration. Thanks for watching, and look in the comments to find out how to order one for your home. Thank you very much. Okay, additionally, I wanted to show you the faucet on the deck top. So this is a Glacier Bay faucet, which I bought because it matches the sink faucet that we have here, and it's a nice combination. These faucets they're not that easy to find in your box stores. This one was, Home Depot had one, but The one that you would get with your system is this Euro style one here, and of course it mounts like that, and your on and off valve is there. Works great, easy to use, easy to install. So just wanted to show it to you on the sink top. Thanks again. Aqua Systems, give me a call for your under sink water filtration system.